Hi guys, welcome back to another home and garden channel video. Welcome back, guys. I do love you and I do appreciate you. Thanks for always watching my videos. Thanks for all the love and all the support. All right, so what is happening in my garden at the end of June? What is happening here? Have I given up on my garden? Have I given up on my channel? Have I given up? No, I have not given up. I am just tired. Really tired. For some part of it, I wasn't feeling so well, and I am just tired. Life is lifing. There comes a time when we are, let me speak about me, um, get tired along the way, overwhelmed. There is so much happening, and I was just overwhelmed. So I will show you what is happening in my garden in June. I have not done much in a long while because I was focusing on so many things. I was focusing on the chicken coop, getting the chicken coop up and going, and also I started a new garden in the country area, right? So I've showed you where I've started a new garden, and I have lapsed because I didn't go there for about 2 to 3 weekends, and the peppers, they're not looking great. White flies have taken them over. I've sprayed them before, but with the lapse of time, white flies have taken them over. They didn't get much rain, and hence the heat have taken a toll on them. Mommy and daddy try to water them as best as possible, but I cannot overwhelm them. They have done so much, and there's no more, right? I don't want to pressure them. I thought I would have more time. We would have more time to go there and attend to them. So the peppers, whitefly, took them over. The tomatoes, I can't really complain about the tomatoes so much because I've gotten tomatoes from them. Mommy harvest a lot of tomatoes from them for me, but they are drying up now because of the heat, and I think if they have gotten more attention in terms of water and all of that, they probably could survive a little longer. The scallions, I pulled them up and brought them to this garden because they were at the top of the hill, and it was very difficult to kind of get up there. It's a little steep, so mommy definitely couldn't go up there. So, and they got less attention, so I pulled them up and brought them here. So these are some of the scallions. So I plant them in this container to see if I can, if they will snap back and look a little better. I use some charcoal in the soil because research have shown that charcoal is a good natural fertilizer for scallions. So here they are. So I am observing to see what will happen with these scallions. Yes, what I think I will do, I think I'm going to plant some pumpkins in that area in the garden in Portland. I pumpkin needs less attention, so I think I'm going to plant some pumpkins in that area. right? And I need to just come back and focus on this garden. I need to realign myself and focus on this garden. So my tomato trees, they are drying up, but I've gotten a lot of tomatoes from them. I will just insert what my tomato harvest look like. So they are drying up, so I need to sow some more tomatoes. I have pumpkin here in this container right here. Pepper, pepper. Not much happening. I haven't done much. I haven't done much in a while. I have not done much. I was focusing on so much things. Life is lifing, life is happening, and it kept me away from my garden. I will not give up on my garden. I really, really, really love gardening. It is therapy. It is very therapeutic, and I will not give up on my garden. But oh boy, it comes a time sometimes when we really slow down, and that's what happened. I have yams over here coming up. The yams don't need much attention. I still have a tomato tree here. I harvest some tomatoes about a day or two ago from this one here. The cabbages, I did not give the cabbage. I just lost interest somewhat, and I wouldn't say I lost interest. As I said earlier, I was just tired. So I have a cabbage here folding up, and another one right here. But I think if I have given the cabbages more attention, I would be getting more from the cabbages, right? Okra right here. I've sowed some okra in March. Yes, I've done a video on that, night gardening, and these are the okras that I have sown. And pepper right here, sweet potato in this container, a pepper right there, pepper. This tomato here is drying up, but I've gotten a lot of tomatoes from it. Two of them. So I've gotten a lot of tomatoes from them. I have yams in this container right here. So on the step right here, I have some peppers, and these peppers, they are looking great. They are not looking bad at all. They are not looking bad. I give them some attention. I have cabbages down here, and my red amaranth right here. This is my red amaranth. It has gotten so huge, so big, and I'm still waiting on it to seed so I can sow the seeds to get some more. So guys, thank you so much, family, YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching another video as I inform you what is happening with me, what is happening in my garden. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I do appreciate you. Please do not forget, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and leave a like, leave a comment on my video. Please share and like the video. Until I come to you again with another home and garden video. Thank you.